Hello children, we are here back on every Saturday with the value education class. I hope children you all are fine at home and taking good care of yourselves. So today we are going to start with the lesson Manage Your Time. We are going to start with a new lesson here which gives you the importance of time. Manage your time, time will manage you. So children, if you are going to manage your time and respect time, time will respect you and your every work will be done within the time. So let's begin with the lesson. Nothing is precious as time. You all know that कि एक बार अगर समय बीत गया, we are not going to get it again. So we should use it in a very thoughtful way. ठीक है, बहुत सोच समझ के हमें उसको खर्च करना चाहिए. So here in this story there is a girl named Minnie and her routine is explained here and how she manages her time. She wakes up early in the morning at 6 and she brushes her teeth after getting up, that too very properly, not only the front teeth but also the back teeth properly. She does not waste her time roaming about in the whole house with the brush in her hand, but she does the brush properly and then she goes to comb the hair. We also sometimes roam in the house everywhere with the brush in the hand and comb, right? So we should do it at a single place. Then at 6:30 she gets in her lawn and there she does some breathing exercises, some yoga exercises, as it keeps us healthy and there is less chances that we will fall ill. After that at 7 o'clock she takes her bath and combs her hair and she never forgets to dispose. जो बाल comb में लग जाते हैं उनको फेंकना डस्टबिन में, she never forgets. She every time throws the hairs in the dustbin. Then she wears the school uniform जो कि वो एक दिन पहले ही iron कर लेती थी. She used to iron the dress one day before because if she is going to keep it for the last moment and if there is no electricity, no power supply, then she'll be in a problem. So after wearing the dress, she goes to the table at 7:15 and just she gives the glance on the newspaper. She just goes through the headlines of the national and international news within 5 minutes and then starts with the breakfast and finishes at 7:30, and she at 7:30 she leaves for school and she comes back at 1:45. After coming she washes her hands and she is on the dining table sharp at 2. After changing, after washing hands, after washing the face, everything, she is at the dining table at 2 for the lunch. And after the lunch she takes some rest, and after taking rest she again gives some time to the newspaper to go through the daily happenings. And although she is in a habit of cutting the newspaper and keep the cuttings in a scrap book. And after that she does her homework and with the help of her mom and dad. At 5 o'clock she leaves for playground. At 6 she is there and she plays the game like skipping, badminton and some games, and the equipments whatever is required she takes from home. Sometimes she also loves to do cycling, but she does the cycling and goes to bring some stuffs also whatever her mother asks to. ठीक है, जो भी उसकी मम्मा मार्केट से मंगाती हैं वो सामान भी वो लेके आती है and she does the cycling also. So in this way she does 2 work at a time and saves her time. And then when she is back from the playground she washes her hand, feet, everything with soap, and then she helps her mother in the kitchen. Between 7 to 8 she arranges the school bag and irons the clothes, and from 8 to 9 she watches TV, whatever she wants to, especially her favorite cartoon show. At 9 she helps her mother to serve the dinner, and then at 9 she takes the dinner and she's free by 9:30, and at 10 she sleeps. So one who values time, time values them. So whenever you value the time will also value you. So this is how Minnie manages her time, and she's never late for anything, and everything is managed. All her work is managed properly. How to manage your time? First, you have to see how much time you have. Then you have to be very much specific कि आपको क्या क्या करना है, and according to that you have to distribute the time to the work. You have to maintain a to-do list. एक list prepare करो, this work, this work, this work done. You have to make a list and accordingly you have to do. You should make your task कि अभी से अभी हमें इतना करना है, and then you have to do. Or you have to make a balance between every day, every thing. Like हर दिन बराबर काम बांट के रखना, ये नहीं that you are pressurized and doing all work in a single day. Right? If you are putting your 80% efforts, you will get more better results. Right? You'll get better results if you are putting your more efforts. Like 80% of your efforts will bring about only 20% of the result. अगर आप 80% मेहनत करो तो 20% ही रिजल्ट आएगा. ठीक, तो ये ऐसा सोच के चलो कि अगर आप जितना ज्यादा एफर्ट डालोगे उतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा. So basically what you have to manage your time properly. So now let's discuss the question and the fill in the blanks and the true false of this lesson. We should use time in a dash way. We should use time in a sensible way. We should use time in a sensible way. The second fill in the blanks is at the time of brushing or combing, we should sit or stand at a specified place. एक proper place पे ही खड़े होकर के हमें ये काम करना चाहिए. We should not roam about. The third fill in the blanks is Minnie takes in lawn her dash exercise as well as dash exercise. Breathing and physical. Minnie takes in lawn her breathing exercises as well as physical exercises. Fourth fill in the blanks. Minnie is so punctual to leave for school as one can just adjust his or her watch. वो इतनी पंक्चुअल है कि आप उसके टाइमिंग के अकॉर्डिंग अपनी वॉच जो है वो एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. Between 7 to 8 p.m. Minnie dash her school and dash her school uniform. Between 7 to 8 p.m. Minnie arranges her school bag and irons her school uniform. True and false. The very first statement is time management is using time in a planned way. True. हम टाइम ऐसे मैनेजमेंट करते हैं कि टाइम को एकदम प्लान वे में अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर सके. सेकेंड इज मेनी अदर टास्क कैन बी डन वाइल ब्रशिंग आवर टीथ. नो, हमें एकदम अच्छे से फोकस होके स्पेसिफाइड प्लेस पे खड़े होकर के वी शुड ब्रश आवर टीथ. सो सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट, physical exercises increase the chances of falling ill. No, it decreases. अगर हम exercise कर रहे हैं so we'll be physically fit and there are less chances that we'll fall ill. So third statement is a false statement. Now the fourth statement, we should take clippings from the newspaper. हमें newspaper cuttings रखनी चाहिए. Yes, we should keep it with us for future references. हमने कहीं पढ़ा था. We can go through the important headlines or important events which are happening around if we are going to keep that clippings in the scrapbook or somewhere collected in a file. So fourth statement is a true statement. Minnie goes to bed sharp at 10 p.m. Yes, she used to go to bed sharp at 10 p.m. and she used to wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. So this was the exercises of the lesson which we discussed here. I hope you all have come to know about the importance of time and how you can manage the time by doing the work on time. Thank you children and have a good day.